Hey there viewers, welcome back to our channel. Hey there viewers. Do you eat broccoli regularly? If not, you might reconsider your relationship with this green veggie after seeing this video. Broccoli is a close relative of Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, and kale. The miniature tree-like veggie belongs to the cruciferous family and is very good for your health. Eating broccoli regularly will give you wonderful results. In today's video, we will be discussing the positive health effects you can expect if you include broccoli in your daily diet. Can it regulate your blood sugar? Will it increase your concentration? And what about its anti-aging benefits? We will be talking about all this and more. Benefit number 4. You'll feel fuller and eat less. Broccoli promotes satiety, making you feel full for a longer period. This is due to its high dietary fiber content, which slows down the movement of food in the digestive system. Eating broccoli regularly can help manage hunger pains and even aid in weight loss. Remember to eat it raw or steamed to retain its nutrients. Benefit number 3. Inflammation in your body will be reduced. Chronic inflammation can lead to several diseases, including cancer and arthritis. Broccoli contains potent substances like sulforaphane and camphorol, which have anti-inflammatory properties. These substances help fight inflammation and promote healing in the body. Regular consumption of broccoli can help prevent chronic inflammation and its associated diseases. Benefit number 2. You'll recover better after exercise. Broccoli contains vitamin C, which is essential for the biosynthesis of collagen and protein metabolism. Collagen is the main component of connective tissue and plays a vital role in wound healing. The vitamin C present in broccoli helps the muscles and tissues recover quicker after exercise. Studies have shown that vitamin C has the potential to boost collagen production and accelerate healing. Benefit number 1. Your body will be detoxified. Broccoli is one of the few natural green foods that detoxify your body. It contains phytonutrients like glucoraphanin, gluconeostridiol, and glucobrasicin, which help neutralize and eliminate unwanted toxins from the body. Sulforaphane, present in broccoli, increases the amount of active phase 2 enzymes responsible for neutralizing toxins in the upper respiratory tract. Broccoli's fiber content also helps in removing toxins from the intestines. So there you have it, folks. Broccoli is more than just a green vegetable. It's a powerhouse of nutrients that can have a positive impact on your health. Regular consumption of broccoli can help manage hunger, reduce inflammation, aid in recovery after exercise, and detoxify your body. So, make sure to include broccoli in your daily diet and experience these wonderful health benefits. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. And if you have any suggestions for future topics, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.